using sound as the object of your awareness. Who is listening? In mindfulness practice, the focus is often on the feelings in the body and the thoughts in the mind. However, tuning into your other senses can facilitate a strong feeling of presence and awareness. You can use the sounds around you as the object of your awareness. Sounds come and go throughout your day and offer a consistent focal point for your mindful attention. No matter where you live or what you do for a living, it's nearly impossible to remove all sound. During meditation, investigate the experience of hearing. You can also bring this practice into your life, pausing to listen closely to the sounds around you at any point during your day. Begin by finding a comfortable position and allowing the eyes to close. Bring your awareness to your breath, but instead of focusing on the physical feeling of breathing, listen to the sound of the body breathing. Inhaling and exhaling through the nostrils. Listen closely to any noises coming from the breath. Open up your awareness to the other sounds present. You may notice sounds of cars passing, noises within your home, sounds from nature or your neighbor. Whatever is present, tune into it. The mind habitually recognizes what it hears. When a car goes by, you immediately know it is a car. Instead of identifying and defining what each sound is, try to focus on the actual experience of hearing. Imagine your ears as microphones, just picking up sound. Recognize the rising and passing of the noise. How far away it appears, and from what direction it's coming. As one sound grabs your awareness, tune into it for a few moments. Experience the sound fully. Then open the mind and listen for other noises. Hearing mindfully. continue listening, investigating, and opening up. At the end of the period, return to the breath for a minute. Without forcing or straining, encourage the mind to collect itself fully onto the sound of the breath in the body. Opening the eyes and moving back into your life. Maintain some awareness of the sounds in your life. Notice the act of hearing during your day and let it draw you back into present time awareness.